What's up, everybody? Right behind me is this gray 20-foot shipping container that we recently converted to being off the grid. That means the water, power, and sewage, we don't connect to any utilities, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how we did that. So when you're looking to make your container home off-grid, there's really three components that you have to consider. The first is the power, next is the sewage, and lastly is the water. So in this unit for power, we're actually using solar power for majority of the unit. That's gonna go for a lot of the outlets and for the lights, and anything that's 12 volt that we're running inside of this unit. But what you wanna do is take anything that is a heating element, very similar to this, which is our stove top, and our hot water heater, and you want to shift those to propane. Running that on your solar power is going to require a lot of energy and ultimately a lot of cost, when in reality you can put a 200-gallon propane tank outside, purchase a stovetop like this for an affordable price, and you're in the game off-grid. Now for sewage, we actually did an off-grid toilet, which I'll show you here. So this toilet, it's a separate Villa off-grid toilet. It's a composting toilet, and it's great because it actually separates your number one from your number two, and you're able to dispose of it properly, and you don't need the normal connections that a traditional toilet requires. This means that you don't need to connect to city utilities, and that you don't even need a septic tank, and you can still have a full bathroom. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. We have a few new products that I just want to share with you. The first is our DIY container home starter course. This is for anyone that is kind of in the entry-level stages of building a container home, or you're just considering building a home. It's going to equip you with all the knowledge you need to be successful as you navigate land use, permitting, and even those initial build steps. Now, for those of you that you're ready to go to that next level, we have a product called the Container Home Builder Masterclass. And in that product, we go over all the ins and outs of the actual construction process for a container home. This is going to equip you throughout that entire build process so that you can build your own. And then lastly, we have our plan sets available. So if you love our models, you're going to want to check those out as well. And all this information is available via the link in the description below. Now back to the video. The last aspect of being off-grid is your water. So for this unit, we're actually installing a 500-gallon fresh water tank outside of the home. We're then connecting a 12-volt water pump that'll provide the pressure into the unit. And when it comes to heating, once again, we went with a propane hot water heater. This is what's going to heat up the water for the sinks and for the shower, and it's a much better alternative than trying to do something electric that's going to consume a lot of power. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking to build your own container home, you can go ahead and click the link below for a free training where I go over my biggest lessons after building dozens and dozens of container homes. And if you're interested in buying a finished unit, we also have tons of models that you can check out on our website at alternativeliving spaces.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.